The military has removed a bulkhead out of a mountain. Yeah, the kind of thing you'll see on Navy vessels. And as they herd all those folks out, Father Brummer says, "You can't do this. We're Catholic." And the sergeant says, "Oh, yes, we can. You were trying to erase humanity with your Catholic coronavirus plague. Oh, yes, we can." And then Father Conley comes out and says, "But how are we supposed to repopulate the world with our master race of cross-dressers?" And Sarge says, "That's not my problem. Get out so that we can undo what it is that you have done." I'm Melton. You know where my fun stuff ends. When you see that Navy recruiter or that Navy officer's family, you try to call me. Put them on speakerphone if you got them on phone. And yes, if you're in person, try to call me in front of them. Get it, the reaction on video. And yes, at those bars or parties, buy them a drink. Do some intel for America before the Catholics get rid of us all.